I'm going to walk you through on how you can implement Google Sheets as part of your Hello Duty WhatsApp flow or WhatsApp bot to allow you to collect information using the bot, then save that to your Google Sheets. So to get started, I have a sheet here called the radio sales, and I've already pre-built some parts of a flow. I'm going to be asking the user for their name. So what's your name? For their email, what's your email? Then I'm just going to ask them for how many cows they have. So we're going to assume this is a demographic survey that we are conducting via WhatsApp. So at the end of this journey, I would like just to be able to add a Google sheet here so that we can collect this information and send it to this Google Sheet. I'll also be sharing this sheet with my team. So as information comes in, they'll be able to consume that information directly without having to visit the USSD builder to see that information. So to get started, I'll come over to Hello Duty. We have a Smart tab here, and then we have resources, and just select Google. So once this page is open, you'll see this button called Connect to Google. So you can give a name, a unique name to your integration, but I'm just going to leave that blank and just click on this button. I'll then be sent over to Google to authenticate. I have authenticated. I'll go back to Hello Duty and I can see that my Google configuration was successful. So I see this name here. So if I go back to my campaign, I can click on this plus, click on apps and look for Google Sheets. So once that's loaded, I come here, click on configuration and select the configuration that I just did. Next, I'll choose the spreadsheet that I want to work with. So I have two on my Google Drive, radio sales and another that's party. I'm just going to choose radio sales. Then under radio sales, we can see we have a tab here, new users. That's the tab I'm going to be using to populate my data, and my operation is add. So we can see here the columns that are on my sheet have been pre-populated for me. And I can go ahead and even add one extra one. So this is the radio, and I'm going to say this is Kameme FM. Number of cows, I'm going to populate this from here. I'll choose number of cows. So the value that the user will provide for that will be mapped there. For their email, I'm just going to come here and choose text. And then for their name, I'll just choose here. So the name value will be populated here, the email value will be populated here, and the number of cows value will be populated here. Then I have a static text for the radio channel that will be sharing this WhatsApp flow in. So I'll click out of that, then click save. Go ahead and test my configuration. I'll click on test. Then I'll click start test. What's your name? My name is Kibaki. What's your email? kibaki@press.com. How many cows do you have? I have 20 cows. And you can see here it has gone ahead and populated my data. So if I look at the Google Sheets, I should see the values populated there. So I'll just come and remove that. And we can run it again, right? And see another test. So I'll run again and I'll say, what's your name? My name is Obama. What's your email? ob@press.com. How many cows do you have? I have 20. And you should save again. And if I look at my Google Sheets, I can see another row has been added in for me. So this could be a shared team, as I mentioned before, shared sheet, as I mentioned before, and you can be able to populate as many different values as you want. So for example, you could have shared this code with one Kameme FM, and you choose that's the sheet for Kameme FM, and you can come in here and populate another one equally using the same flow, using the same configuration that I've shown. So thank you very much, and looking forward to see you using this application.